Popi's solution, genius or disaster? Andre has the answer. Popi the rabbit was always in a hurry. One morning, she found that the small wooden bridge had broken. The animals couldn't cross the river, and they were worried. "I don't have time for a big repair. I'll fix it fast," Popi said. She quickly gathered some vines and tied the broken planks together. "Done! Now everyone can cross again," she cheered, hopping away to her next task. Andre the deer, who liked everything to be perfect, walked by and noticed the bridge. He nodded approvingly. "Popi, your fix is smart. You worked fast, and now the animals can cross again," he said. He admired how Popi's quick thinking helped the forest friends. "Sometimes, quick solutions are useful," he added with a smile. But then Andre looked closely. "Popi, did you check if the bridge is strong enough?" he asked. Just then, a heavy boar stepped onto the bridge. The vines stretched, and the planks wobbled. "Oh no! My fix is coming loose!" Popi gasped. Andre sighed. "A quick fix helps for now, but a strong fix lasts longer," he said wisely. Popi realized Andre was right. "I don't want the bridge to break again. Let's fix it properly," she said. Andre helped her gather strong wooden nails and thick rope. They worked carefully, making sure each plank was secure. When they finished, the bridge was sturdy and safe for all animals. Andre smiled. "Now, this is a perfect bridge," he said. Popi laughed. "I still like fixing things fast, but I've learned that some things need more care," she said. She promised to slow down when needed. From that day on, Popi still moved quickly, but she also made sure her fixes were strong. Moral of the story is, quick solutions help for now, but careful work makes things last.
Like and subscribe my channel.